Hello folks, welcome back to Skyscraper Games. I am on the skyscrapergames.com website and I'm in the editor. And this is Quick Start Lesson 10. Technically, if you've done 1 through 9, that's as far as you need to go. But these next couple of lessons are just some additional information where we start adding a little more complexity to our program. So, if you haven't done 1 through 9, either go do them now or at least load the file from QuickStart10 so that you're at the same spot I am. Now, if I run my code so far, I have the blue dot that's the player, and the red dot is the computer, and the computer chases the player, and then when it catches the player, the screen turns white and it's game over, and it will show my final speed. So what I want to do is add a little bit more to this. So first of all, underneath the final speed, I want to also print a score. And for me, I'm just going to print the score as the turn number. Now I'm doing something here where I'm just appending a string to a string. So score is a string. It's hard-coded, and then the str function converts the self.turn or self.speed into a string so I can append them. There's other ways I can do this that are probably a little better. For instance, passing it in to a print function as a parameter. But for now, we'll just leave it like this because that's not the main point of what I wanted to do here. What I want to do is make it so that when you finish, it will briefly pause and then just restart the game automatically. So I'm going to put it in this code section called start, that function, and really it could go anywhere we want it to. This block of code is here to kind of separate out our initializing code, so that's why I'm going to use this. So if self.gameOver, and then I'm just going to basically reset all my variables. So first of all, I'm just going to highlight these, tab them over so that they're lined up in the right spot. I also need to put the self identifier in front of them because these are no longer in my engine variable section. So I'm just going to copy that self dot and paste it here. So basically this will reset everything back to how it was at the beginning. Alright, and the next thing I need to do is down here in the draw, I need to do an else. So when I'm checking if the game is over and the message is printed, then I'll just do self.start, and that will call my start function. I just let it catch me. Alright, and you can see it just automatically restarts, and my output is printing my final speed and my score. So that seems to have worked. That's it for Quick Start Lesson 10. In Lesson 11, we'll look at allowing the player to move diagonally like the computer does.